The mask mandate here in California schools is ending. Good afternoon and welcome to The Four. I'm Marcella Lee and today for Heather Myers.
I'm Carlo Cicchetto. State health officials announced today that starting tomorrow, masks will not be required for anyone in most public places. And starting March 12th, students will no longer be required to wear masks in schools, though it's going to still be strongly recommended.
CBS 8's Kelly Hesseldahl joins us live now from San Diego Unified's headquarters with what led the state to this decision and what a doctor at Rady Children's Hospital thinks about the latest move. Kelly?
Well, there are some parents who are going to be happy about this move. There are some who will not be happy. The state says, though, we've reached this point in the pandemic where it's just time to move forward. Take a listen.
This feels like the right time. It said there's the data that supports it, both on the transmission end and the hospital impact side.
And Dr. Mark Ghaly laid out the numbers. He says cases have dropped 66% in California. Hospitalizations, he says, have also dropped by about 50%, and that includes pediatric hospitalizations. Test positivity is down by about 50%, and Dr. Ghaly predicts an even bigger drop in the numbers over the next couple of weeks. So again, starting March 12th, masks will not be required in schools, though they will still be strongly recommended. Now, vaccination rates are still something the state is focused on. Though 65% of 12 to 17-year-olds are fully vaccinated, there is still a large percentage of younger kids who are not. We talked to a doctor at Rady Children's Hospital about dropping the mask mandate in schools. He told us he believes it's the right thing to do.
I want to acknowledge that some parents really want masks and some parents really don't want masks, and each of them have credible arguments. But as we look at the population in general, I think it's time to let the mask go for kids.
And Dr. John Bradley of Rady Children's Hospital says he understands there are some parents who are worried about breakthrough infections, but he says if your child has a normal, healthy immune system, the chances that they'll have any serious symptoms if they do get a breakthrough infection are very low. He says the vaccines are doing their job to protect kids from getting seriously sick and hospitalized. Marcella and Carlo.
Kelly, we know a lot of parents and students are celebrating today now that they can see the light just a couple of weeks away. Now, this overall ruling, I understand that it's most public places we won't be required to wear masks anymore, but there are still some places where we will. Where will those places be?
That's right. There's still going to be a requirement on public transit, as well as in hospital settings, in homeless shelters, correctional facilities, as well as long-term care facilities. So there will still that requirement will still be in place, and it could be for quite some time. I know a lot of people are very interested in the mask mandate being lifted in schools. My colleague Shannon Handy will have much more on that coming up tonight at 5.
All right. A lot of people have been waiting for this for a long time. A lot of people say they're not quite ready yet. So we'll hear more on this debate coming up at 5. Thanks so much, Kelly.